Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG and how to display the AMG logo on your command screen. This method does not only apply to the AMG models, it will also work on the non-AMG Mercedes. Any Mercedes that has the command screen with the navigation, this trick will work on those cars. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So insert your key into the ignition and turn on your command screen. Right now we got the Mercedes-Benz logo, but real soon it's going to be the AMG. So you're going to go into your service screen where the time and display settings are all displayed, and now you are going to press and hold down 5, 3, and 7. You are going to hold these three keys down for about 10 seconds until you are greeted with this screen. On this screen, it's going to display a couple different models in a couple different regions. I'm in the US with a W211, so I'm going to select AMG W211 USA. Once I press OK, I'm going to take the key out, open the door, close it, and then lock the car and wait for 1 minute. It's been a minute. I'm going to unlock the car and put the key in the ignition and turn the command screen on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video, and if this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.